Hi friends, the previous video we have seen rendering of the data, right? So I have applied some CSS to the project. So this is not our work in progress. So that for that reason I am not explaining this one. This is just I added some CSS thing in order to look better. So if you want to get the CSS and all those things, you can refer to my GitHub project. I will give you the link of the GitHub this project link in the below description, so you can go there and you can download the project if you want. And now we will see here. So what is the output? What I have did is, so say simply the design I have did. So here if I want to try to get the output, so I will be getting like this, so like box like thing. Now what I will try to do is, right now here we are showing only the title, so we will try to show description, people and all those things. We will try to show it in this box. Okay, now where is that code has been written is, so the code has been written in the project list. Okay, so here we are rendering the project, we are looping over here and we are creating an element of li and we are adding the project title. So now we will add some HTML here. So instead of writing it here, I will create a new class for creating an item, so project item. So what I will try to do is, I will try to create class project item. Item means nothing but each project item, each box. So now here I will call the constructor, and here in this constructor I will take the private, the project, each project ID. I will take the project, each project. Okay, so why? Because here we are looping over the loop, right? So we will be getting each project, so I will be calling each time the project item. So here the project, and I will be getting the element, so to which element I need to append. So that is nothing but HTML. So right now we have UL element, right? So we have, like, so this is the constructor. Okay, now what I can do is, I can pass here new project item. Okay, send the project to here, and also the element, list element. Okay, to which element I want to, list element I want to append the created element. So in here we will try to create the content. Okay, we will try to frame the HTML. So here I will take that li element as the HTML li element. Okay, I can take it as a HTML li element. So now I will try to create in the constructor. So this dot li element is equal to document dot create element. I will create the element with li. Okay, I have created the element li, and now I want to render the content. So what I will write is render. So just I will try to use another method here. Now here what I will try to do, here I will write the render content, and in this render content I will try to frame the HTML, and I'll attach to the li, and also, and that li I will attach it to the UL. So now here what I will try to do is constant li data is equal to backtick h3. I will take the h3. In this h3 I will try to show the this dot project dot title. Okay, fine. And here I will take one div, and in one strong element I will try to show the people. So dollar of this dot project dot people. Okay, and I will write something like persons assigned. So if we get people 2 means 2 persons assigned, 3 persons assigned, like that we will get an output. Now here I can write, I can show the description. So this dot project dot description, I can write the description here. So these three things. So now this li data I want to append it to the li element. So this dot li element, I will append this dot li element dot inner HTML. So inner HTML is equal to, I will append that li data. Okay, now that li data what I will try to do is, I will try, I need to append that I need to add that li data into the UL. So the UL element is nothing but this element. Okay, so now this dot element dot append child. So append child of, what I can do, I will add this dot li element. So now we have created another new project item. So we have created nucleus project item. So this one is responsible for adding each project into the UL. So list element means nothing but what we can say is UL element. Okay, you will be getting this one. So here we are creating an LI element, and this LI element we are framing the HTML, and we are trying to append the chain. Now here we'll try to see the output. So now I will refresh the code, and here if I try to add, so here we got the HTML, that created HTML. If you want to see here, you'll be able to see the LI element has been appended to here with the HTML what we have did. Okay, so now here one problem is there. For example, here 2 persons assigned, fine. Now I will try to assign another project with 1. So now here we are getting 1 person's assigned. So here we are getting it as a plural. So we need to know the relationship. If it is more than 1 means plural should become, plural should has to be there. But if it is singular means 1 person means we need to get the 1 person assigned like that. So how we can achieve that one? So here we can write the condition something like that, or otherwise we will use another concept, nothing but getters thing. So I will take get person. Okay, so you can write the condition if like that. So I am taking the getters thing by using that if this dot project dot people is equal to 1. If it is a 1 means, then I can return 1 person like this. Okay, or otherwise I will return backtick dollar of, I can use this dot project dot people, and I will try the plural. So I will try to send this one. So now I can use it as a property here. So here I can use, instead of this dot person, this dot project dot people, I can use this dot person, and I can remove this person, so that from the person I will get, I will give the send like this. Now if I try to check the output, now here what could be the output I am getting. So here I will be getting the output here. Okay, fine. Now here I will be getting the another output. So 2 persons, and here I am getting 1 person assigned, and also here I am getting 2 persons assigned. So now we have created, so new project. So we have created a new what I can say, new person. So new class project item. So in that we are writing the code. We have written the code to in order to get the enter the data, HTML data. So this is how we can do the class things. And also here I have created the project item, so that we can use of this LI element. So all the time we can render this one, and also we can append it to the UL element. And also we have used the getters for getting the plural and singular things, so to differentiate between the plural and singular. So this is how we can render the data. So now in the next video, what we will try to see is, we will try to drag this item. Okay, we will try to drag this item into the finished project list, so that the project whichever is dragged into the finished project, it should be finished, or otherwise if we drag here to here, it should be in the active list. So we will do the concept of that one. So when I want to drag this item, it should be dragged and it should be inserted into here, and if I drag it here, it should come into the here. So okay, this is the thing what we will try to do. So we will try to implement that concept, okay, in the next video. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.